Hello guys, in this video we will see what exactly circle graph or pie chart. So first we should know here what is the need of circle graph. For example, there are two students A and B. They are going into hotel and they are eating pizza. Suppose A has decided A will eat suppose 80% and B will eat 20% of the share. So this is the pizza. So A is taking 80%. So we assume this is circle center point and 80% means it will be like that. This is what 80% and this portion is 20. So clearly here on the basis of that we can do calculation. We can tell here A has taken more share than B. B has taken less share than A. So we can come in conclusion here. So for doing this we just need a plot, circle graph or pie chart. So now here I am showing you few examples for that. Now you observe both the example. First example is time spent by child during a day. So how you can draw the circle graph? First you should know what is the total duration of day. So it is 24 hours. Then according to that you have to decide time spent by child. So first you have to think in what activity the child spend the time. For example, sleeping is there, going to school, playing other and homework. So for sleeping the child is taking 8 hours. So out of 24 you have to plot 8 hours. Then you have to plot for 6 hours, then 3 hours, then 3 hours, then 4 hours. So first important thing is the total duration. Then after that you can do the partition. So this partition is known as a sector. Okay. Second example is group of people in a town. So first for group of people means it is related with the population. So you should know the total population and then according to the population and according to their age of distribution you have to do partition. So that partition is known as a sector and this complete information is known as a total. So here a circle graph shows the relationship between whole and part. Here is a whole circle is divided into the sector. So now on the basis of that we will solve the problem. So suppose here some colors have been given and it is prepared by a group of people. This color is prepared by a group of people. So first one is blue color. So here first you do the total. Total is very important. So total is 36. So whenever you draw the pie chart, first you have to convert into the fraction. So blue color is prepared by 18 people. So 18 divided by total means actual number divided by total. So you have to do it into the fraction and in the last step you have to multiply with whole. Whole means 360 degree because the circle means whole. So that circle whole is 360 degree. So that fraction should be multiplied with the whole, that is 360 degrees. So whatever the answer we are getting here, that is known as the, it will come into the degree. So, and on that degree wise you have to draw the, you have to do the sector. Means here you can represent the information like this. First you have to write the color and then you have to write number of people. So this information already comes from the example. And then in the third step you have to write into the fractions, means actual information divided by total. Here actual information 9 upon 36, 6 upon 36, 3 upon 36. Then you have to multiply with whole. Whole means 360 degree. So you are getting the actual angle 180 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. Then here what happened, blue is represented by 180 degree. 180 degree means half portion, half of 360. Then green is taking 90 degree, so you draw 90 degree. For red you draw 60 degree. Yellow you draw 30 degree angle. Then inside it you can write the name, you can give the different color for that, or outside the circle also you can write the name. So I show you here by using compass and protractor how you can do the pie chart. So you just keep in mind there are 4 color, one angle is 180. First you keep in mind the angle 180, 90, 60 and 30. So we will draw the pie chart now. So here first I need a compass for that. So compass you can take for any centimeter according to your convenient, and then you have to design the circle. Once the work of compass is over, just take out, and then you here I need to here highlight center point. And then as you already know how to do 180 angle, 180 is a straight angle and 180 is a half of circle. So you directly take scale. By using scale you can do the straight line which will pass. So that is known as a diameter, and it is what? It will represent 180 degree. So here you can write it is 180 degree, and this one was represented by blue. This is the information of blue color. Next angle was 90 degrees. So for that we need to use protractor. So you also take with you, keep your center point very carefully, and you have to move this for making the 90-degree angle. And this is what you have to find out, where is 90-degree point. So this is 90 degree. So take out the protractor. By using ruler you have to draw the line which will pass through both the points. So this is exactly the 90 degree. And then after this you have to plot 60-degree angle. So again focus on that center point, and you have to move this and check the 60-degree angle carefully. So this is exactly the 60 degree, and take out this protractor, plot the straight line from the center point to that point. So this is exactly 60 degree and remaining is 30 degree. So we just go through the information now. Observe here, first one was blue, that we already done, then green, red and yellow. So now we write the name green, red and yellow. So this is green, red, yellow. So that name you have to write. It is better if you write outside then, and here you have to give numbering, and after that you can give different color or shading according to your convenience. So I hope, dear student, you understood how to plot the pie chart. And thanks for watching this video. And if you understood this, you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.